Alright, I'm gonna show you guys how to cut like a pro. Not you. Use your power saw like a pro. Understand? 7.5 pitch. Bam. 4 here. Mark. First thing. Your blade is this mark right here. Understand? If you turn it on 45, is this mark right here. If you turn this power saw on a 45 like this, the blade is following this 45 mark right here. Square. What you're making, this is a square mark right here. When you line up, grip the saw for it. See that? Like that grip. And you grip it like this. Understand? Just grip that grip. Like this. Nice and easy. But, yeah, number one, start your saw before entering the board. You don't go like this and then start the saw. You start your saw first, line up, see? Like this. Nice and pretty. Class is up for today.